First of all, let's review the transformation rule by using the words in IB math. For g of x equals negative a f of negative b x plus h plus k. Negative sign means a reflection about x-axis. Negative sign with this x has a reflection about y-axis. For this a, it's a vertical stretch with a scale factor of a. For this b, a horizontal stretch with a scale factor of 1 over b. Remember the rule, insider is a liar. For h and k, there will be a translation. H greater than 0, a horizontal translation to the left, h units. H less than 0, a horizontal translation to the right, h units. For this k, there will be a vertical translation. K greater than 0, up k units. K less than 0, down k units. Let's explore the graph of a sine and a cosine function. Try to build up a relationship between graph and the function. We know this D will perform a vertical translation. This C will perform a horizontal translation. In the graph of a sine or cosine function, y equals D is called the midline. The distance from maximum to the midline or from minimum to the midline is called amplitude. Since sine and cosine function are periodic function, the distance between two maximum will be 1 period equals 2 pi over b for angle in radian or 360 degree over b for angle in degree. This A will perform a vertical stretch with a scale factor of a. The B will perform a horizontal stretch with a scale factor of 1 over b. Make sure the sine and cosine function has the transformation form. Otherwise, you need to change it into transformation form so that we can figure out the transformation. Question 1. Y equals 4 sine pi x plus 5. Amplitude, absolute value of 4 equals 4. The period is 2 pi over b. B, this is a pi, equals 2. For midline, y equals d is the midline. This is a d. So y equals 5 is the midline. New origin will be CD. Remember here it's negative C. We will change it into a positive C. Insider is a liar. So the new origin will be no horizontal translation. We have a vertical translation, up 5 units. For maximum, remember the sine or cosine function. It's greater than or equal to -1, less than or equal to 1. Therefore, we will change the sine function sine pi x into plus or minus 1. Then we can figure out 4 times positive 1 plus 5 equals 9. 4 times negative 1 plus 5 equals 1. Maximum is 9, minimum is 1. Transformation. First step, a vertical stretch with a scale factor of 4. Second step, a horizontal stretch with a scale factor of 1 over pi. Remember, insider is a liar. Third step, a vertical translation up 5 units. Let's go to number 2. Amplitude. A is negative 1, so absolute value of negative 1 equals 1. Period. 2 pi over b. The number beside x is 1. So over 1 equals 2 pi. Midline. D equals 0. So y equals 0. The new origin. Horizontal translation to the right, pi over 2. So pi over 2, 0. Maximum value, plus or minus 1. We have negative sign. So negative 1 is minimum, positive 1 is maximum. Translation. This negative sign means reflect about x-axis. Second step, a horizontal translation to the right. Pi over 2 units. Let's go to number 3. Amplitude. 3. Period. 2 pi over 1/2. For complex fraction, the denominator will be flipped. This b go down, this d go up. So AD over BC. This 2 is a denominator. Go to the top. 2 times 2 is 4 pi. Period is 4 pi. Midline. Y equals D. Y equals negative 1. New origin. There is no horizontal translation. 0. We do have a vertical translation down 1 unit. 0, negative 1. For maximum value and minimum value, 3 times plus or minus 1. For cosine 1/2 x turning into positive or negative 1, then minus 1. 3 times positive 1 minus 1 is positive 2, maximum. Minimum, 3 times negative 1 minus 1 is negative 4. Translation. Vertical stretch with a scale factor of 3. Second step, horizontal stretch with a scale factor of reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2. Vertical translation down 1 unit. Let's go to number 4. Number 4, this is not a transformation form. Y equals 5 cosine 2x minus pi over 3. We need to take these two out. In other words, we will make these two as a common factor, x minus pi over 3 divided by 2, denominator down, pi over 6. Y equals 5 cosine 2 times x minus pi over 6. Amplitude is 5. Period 2 pi over 2 equals pi. Midline. No vertical translation, y equals 0. New origin is, look at the transformation form. X minus pi over 6. Pi over 6 is a horizontal translation to the right, pi over 6 unit. So positive pi over 6, 0. For maximum, we will change this into plus or minus 1. Then 5 times plus or minus 1. Maximum is 5, minimum is negative 5. So a vertical stretch with a scale factor of 5. Second step, horizontal stretch with a scale factor of 1 over 2. Third step, a horizontal translation to the right. Pi over 6 unit. Let's go to question 5. Y equals negative 1/2 sine 1 over 3x plus 1. First of all, we need to change this into transformation form. Y equals negative 1 over 3 sine. We will take 1 over 3 out. Then 1 divided by 1 over 3. This 3 jump to the top, plus 3. Amplitude, absolute value of negative 1/2 equals 1 over 2. Period, B equals 1 over 3. So period equals 2 pi over 1 over 3. 3 jump to the top. Multiply. We got 6 pi. Midline basically means vertical translation. There's no vertical translation. So y equals 0. New origin. Positive 3 forms a horizontal translation to the left, 3 units. Negative 3, 0. Maximum value, negative 1/2. We will change the sine function into plus or minus 1. Negative 1/2 times negative 1, we got positive 1/2. Negative 1/2 times positive 1 is negative 1/2. Transformation. Negative sign, we will perform a reflection about x-axis. 1/2 will perform a vertical stretch with a scale factor 1 over 2. Do not use compression or shrink. In IB exam, they will count that wrong. Third step, 1 over 3 is a horizontal stretch with a scale factor of reciprocal of 1 over 3 is 3. The fourth step, a horizontal translation to the left, 3 units.